Hi everybody, my name's Blanca. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about my 6th, 7th, and 8th week of pregnancy. I was going to upload a 6-week pregnancy update just to tell you all my symptoms and how that week felt, and then exhaustion just hit. I feel like this pregnancy has been super hard on me as far as being tired and just needing more sleep and not being able to get it because I do have a 1-year-old. So there's that. So obviously exhaustion is number one. Throughout these 3 weeks I've felt so tired, and this time around, this pregnancy around has brought a lot of nausea. Which brings me to my BFF right here, which if you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you know that I've been posting lots of pictures of my ginger ale because it really does help me. This helped me so much with my nausea. A lot of people recommend the nausea bracelets. I haven't tried those at all. This really works for me, so I'm gonna stick with this. And I think it may be going away now, but I'll talk about that in my next update. From here on, I'm gonna really try to just update weekly because that way it's fresh in my mind and I'm letting you know as I'm going through it. So I'm currently 9 weeks and 2 days pregnant, and we're very excited. We're about 4 weeks away before we can find out the gender, and I have this all planned out in my head. I want to do another gender reveal party. If you've been with me since my first pregnancy, you know we did a little gender reveal party for our first baby, and I want to do the same thing for this one, so I'm excited about that. But let's get back to the symptom stuff. So exhaustion, nausea. I didn't really have nausea with my first one. I had a little bit, but it was mainly at night. This time it feels like it's throughout the whole day. It just comes and goes, and as long as I have one of these guys with me, it settles my stomach and I feel so much better. Loss in sex drive, it happens, and it's probably just because of the exhaustion that just doesn't feel like something I want to do. I lack motivation to do anything, which brings me to not being able to have uploaded videos like I wanted to. Like, it's always in the back of my mind, just thinking, oh my god, I gotta do my video, I want to put it up and this and that, and no, I just haven't gotten there. I'm just so tired every weekend that I'm off work. I'm like, all I want to do is lay on the couch and watch TV and eat. And that's another thing, like, I am so hungry. I am so hungry. I'm hungry all the time. I want to eat and snack all of the time. I swear, yesterday I had so much to eat. I snacked throughout the whole day, and then like every hour I'm like, okay, now I'm hungry again. Like, I really need to eat like a real meal because I'm just snacking throughout the day, and it's like, okay, maybe cool it down. With my first pregnancy, I did gain about 40 pounds, and I'm trying not to do that this time. My doctor thinks that I can possibly deliver vaginally this time around. My first time around I couldn't because of my baby being so big and my body just wasn't opening up at all. My cervix just stayed closed the whole time. I never felt like contractions or anything like that. I feel like I was getting there, but my C-section was already scheduled. My baby was too big and there was no way, so we did the C-section instead. Yeah, but he thinks if I keep a lot of weight off this time that I can possibly do that. So we're gonna see. I'm definitely gonna stay active this time around. With my first pregnancy, I didn't really walk or anything. I just really watched TV and laid down anytime that I had free time. So yeah, right here I have some ultrasound pictures. These are 6-week ultrasound pictures. I had an 8-week and 4-day ultrasound pictures, and then my mom just automatically assumed that I was giving it to her, and I didn't have the heart to say, no, I'm only showing them to you, so she has those. So I can't show you guys those in this video, but if you want to see a picture of it, I have it posted on Instagram, and I'll have my Instagram name right here if you want to follow me. I do update weekly my baby bump. So this is the first one that I had. This was at exactly 6 weeks 1 day, so you can't really see much. That's my little baby right there. And then the heart, we went to an ultrasound place because I had gone to my OB and they did an ultrasound at 5 weeks and they couldn't see anything, and I knew that was going to be the case because it was too soon, and they still did it anyway, but it freaked me out. So as soon as I hit 6 weeks, I went to one of those ultrasound places to check the heartbeat, and everything was good. So, you know, just a little peace of mind and being able to just breathe. So we did that, and then 4 days or 3 days later I had my OB visit again, and these are pictures from seeing the doctor. So this is at 6 weeks, 4 days. And again, I don't have my updated one, but obviously baby's so little you can't really see much, but everything looks good. And I do need to tell you guys, we had thoughts that it could have been twins because we have twins that run in our family. Jared's mom's an identical twin, and my doctor had originally said my uterus was measuring slightly bigger, and he thought that I was a month ahead than I really am. And so we thought, oh my god. And then when I went into one of my OB visits, they took blood, and then they said that my HCG levels were super high, not normal at the time that I was. So not, you know, like a normal pregnancy. And of course we Google everything, and that could mean that it could be multiples. So we're like, holy crap. But then when we went to our 6 week to that ultrasound place, they only found one baby. So just one baby. Yeah, but that's pretty much all that's been going on. I really feel like this time it might be a boy just because all the nausea that's been going on. And I know every pregnancy is different, and it could still be a girl. It's just different symptoms for this pregnancy. But I don't know, I just feel like it's a 70% chance that it could be a boy, but we'll see. Yeah, so I guess we'll just have to wait and see 4 more weeks, and we'll be able to find out. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'm sorry it's up here so late, 6 to 8 weeks, but I'm just exhausted, moms. I'm sure you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's like no motivation here right now. It took so much for me to get here right now, because then I have to take this and edit it. But I had a hair appointment today, so my hair is done. I had my makeup done, so why not? So thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe for more videos. Again, I'm gonna try to do this weekly from here on out. And don't forget to follow me on social media because I'm updating my baby bump every week. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.